Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to do a review on nude lips. I'm gonna get straight into it. Now the first lip from the Beaute Cosmetics set. I got this some time ago when I had made a purchase and they had sent me this as an additional package. So it was like if you buy some stuff and you get something free. Yeah, and I've been hooked since then. Now, the BH Cosmetics lipsticks, they look like this, and it came in a set of 5. So you see you have options, and the first one is called Karen, and Karen is this beautiful nude lip color. When I first saw it, I was kind of hesitant because of my skin tone and how this would look against it, and is nude lips and my skin tone don't really go hand in hand. But BH Cosmetics got the formula right with this, and it dries down so beautifully. So I'm just going to try the lips and play a little music in the background so you guys could see how it looks, and let me know what you think. So you can always go on the website and purchase it. I think it was $11.99. I'll put the correct price if it has changed, because sometimes the price is lower when it's on sale and then it goes back to the original price. So we're going to look at the BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen Lippy in Karen. So yeah, let me scoot to the camera. Bring my lips close to the camera like this, and I'll poke it out like this.
Gotta poke up your lips like this.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to use the second one, which is Stephanie. I'm going to apply Stephanie and see how she looks. So, and you see the lipsticks don't even stain your lips, so you don't really have that to worry about. They come off really smooth and nice. And I'm using my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes to get the lipstick off my lips, and they're very creamy and nice, and they dry down matte, and they don't dry out your lips. I've not had any experience of it drying out my lips or leaving them dehydrated. So the next one we're going into is what is this one? Vanilla. So let's try vanilla out. And the tip is really nice. It has a slight angle and it's very cushiony. It just glides across the lip. Now Vanilla and Stephanie seem to be very close, but they're really not. One is a little lighter than the other, and I like to use it to make ombre looks. So you're going to see the ombre looks that I'm going to create for you guys using these same lipsticks. So we're going to go into the next lipstick. The next one I'm going to use, they're not really neutral, but the colors are still nice. Oh, it looks really orangey, but this is actually a red. This is a light pink, and it's called Simone. I'm going to put Simone on. Ooh. Okay, and the next one we're going to try is Maria. She's actually red, and it looks kind of, okay, it's kind of red, man. I'm looking at orange red, it looks like on camera, but it's not orange red, it's actually red. Maria. So these are the 5 lipsticks that I would have tried lipsticks from the BH Cosmetics package. and you get a beautiful nice ombre look that you can create using the Beaute Cosmetics lippies, and they come out so nice. They dry down really matte. Mama's looking mushy on the previous lipstick. Right, that's I'm wiping off the previous lipstick. Yeah, and they dry down matte. Yes. So you see why I love Beaute Cosmetics. The lips dry down nice. You get really nice matte lipsticks, and they last for me up to 8 hours. So it stays on your lip even if you're having a cup of coffee, it still doesn't come off. That's to tell you how good it is. And I really think it's value for your money. It's not going to break the bank with these lippies. And if you want to kind of give it a little dazzle, I use the LA Colors holographic lip gloss, and that's to give it just a little sparkle. And just like that, yeah, some sparkle. Sparkle. So that's it, guys. That's my video on some nude matte lipstick. Well, yeah, matte lipsticks that you can use that's affordable. It's not going to break the bank. You're not going to encounter any issues because Beaute Cosmetics is a very reputable company. I really like them, so I highly recommend it. Check them out. I'll put the prices and a picture of how it actually looks on the website, and you get a nice dazzly little purse thing with it so you can store your lipsticks in. So yeah, so guys, that's my review for today. Now if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section on your recommendations on affordable lipsticks that you use that would not break the bank and that lasts all day, and not just affordable but work well with no issues. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell so you can keep up to date with all the videos that I upload. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining me today. So my next video, as I told you, will be a tutorial, and also I'm going to do a review on the Maybelline lipsticks because I bought a few of them and I really want to go through it with you guys, feel to see you know, but that's just review it, see how it works. If it didn't work, it didn't work. Alright guys, so thank you, bye.